Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Desi aesthetic videos updated. Start by defining a mood board with colors, textures, and sounds that feel authentic to Desi culture. Pick 3 to 5 recurring motifs and shots to build visual coherence. Keep scenes short, prioritize natural light, and record ambient audio for realism. Use music sparingly, and let visuals tell the story for a gentle, nostalgic vibe your viewers will connect with. Begin with a simple shot list and prioritize moments over perfection to stay authentic. Use a low aperture for shallow depth and a steady handheld or gimbal for gentle movement. Shoot multiple takes of small actions like pouring chai, folding fabric, or smiling to capture natural variations. Vary your focal lengths between tight details and wider context shots, then organize clips by motif to speed up editing and maintain a cohesive narrative flow. If you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like so I can make more helpful videos. Quick recommendation: Droplet Stay Hydrated Anywhere with the Owala water bottle. It's perfect for long shoots and hectic days on set. Check the description for the product link and other deals so you don't miss out. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Import and organize clips by scene, motif, and emotion to simplify assembly. Start with a rough cut focused on story rhythm, then refine pacing by trimming to music or natural sounds. Add warm color grading and a touch of film grain, but avoid overdoing effects that distract from authenticity. Use gentle transitions like crossfades and match cuts, and finalize audio by balancing ambient sound, voice, and music so every moment feels intimate and polished.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.